What if you had just $100 to start in crypto in 2025? No hype, no guessing, just a smart plan to grow your money. In this video, I'll show you how I'd invest $100 step by step as a beginner, including my exact strategy, tools, and the mistakes to avoid. Let's make your first $100 count. Hit that like button and subscribe. We keep crypto simple. Before touching any coin, here's the mindset. With $100, your goal isn't to get rich overnight. It's to learn the market, grow gradually, and avoid dumb mistakes. Every dollar you lose early is a lesson, so protect your capital. Here's exactly how I'd split the $100, $40 in Bitcoin, BTC, the most stable and proven crypto. It protects your capital and moves with the market. $30 in strong altcoins. I'd choose coins with real use cases like Solana, Sol, or Chainlink, Link. They have potential to 2x to 5x long term. $20 in high-risk gems. This is where you take calculated risks, maybe Casper, Gala, or a trending small-cap coin under $1. $10 in stablecoin, like USDT. Keep this as your emergency fund or for buying dips. Never go all in. Here's what I'd use to manage and protect my $100. Binance or BitShares for low-fee trading. Trust Wallet or MetaMask to store tokens. CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to track coins. Notion or Google Sheets to log every trade and lesson. TradingView or TabTrader for simple price charts. If I had to start again, I'd avoid these 3 beginner mistakes: chasing pump and dumps, going all in on a single coin, investing without researching first. Even with $100, discipline beats luck. Always do your own research and have a plan. $100 won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it can teach you how to manage risk, spot trends, and build habits. If you're consistent, patient, and keep learning, that $100 could turn into your first $1,000. To recap, $40 in BTC, $30 in solid altcoins, $20 in small cap gems, $10 in stable coin for flexibility. Use the right tools, avoid beginner mistakes, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with a friend, and comment below, what would you do with your first $100 in crypto? And of course, subscribe to the channel for more simple crypto tips, strategies, and updates every week. This is Crypto Learn and Grow, where crypto meets clarity. See you in the next one.